Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Santosh Rajendra Gola. Today is 7th April 2022 and today's our topic is difference between Java and Python. First of all, what is Java? Java is a multi-platform, object-oriented and network-centric programming language. It is among the most used programming language and it is used to computing platform and it was first released by Sun Microsystem in 1995. It was later acquired by the Oracle Corporation. And what is Python? Python is a high-level object-oriented programming language. It has built-in data structure and combined with a dynamic binding and typing, and it which makes it an ideal choice for rapid applications development. And Python also offers support for modules and packages, which always system modularity and code reuses. It is one of the fastest programming language as it is required very few lines of code, and it emphasizes is a readability and simplicity, which makes a great choice for beginners. And some difference between the Java and Python are there, in which parameters which compilation, static or dynamic string operations, in which Java is a compiled language and Java is a strictly typed. And in Python, Python is an interpreted language and Python is dynamically typed. Second parameter, it is a learning curve multiple inheritance, in which Java complex learning curve and multiple inheritance is partially done through interfaces, and it uses branches to define the beginning and the end of each functions. And Java program runs slowly, and it offer in Python it offers both single and multiple inheritance. Python uses an indentation of separation code into the blocks. And next one, it is probability. Any code or mobile device which is able to run the Java virtual machine can run the Java application. In Python, it need a interpreter installed on the target machine to translate Python code compared to the Java, and Python is less portable. And next one, it is a read file, in which Java takes 10 lines of code and to repeat the from a file in a Java, and in Python takes only 2 lines of code. And its architecture, it is uh, Java virtual machine provides the runtime environment to execute the code and converts bytecode into the machine language. And later we see in Python, the interpreter translates source code to machine independent bytecode. And backend frameworks, in which Spring Blade, and in Python it is a Django which is used. And parameters such like machine learning and libraries game, in which Java, Veka and Mallet, in which, and in Python it is Transflow or PyPro. And gaming and development, in which JMonkey, and it is in Python it is used Panda 3D. And best features, it is excellent tooling, a huge amount of documentation available. In Python it is a readable code, rapid development and a beautiful code. And best use for, in which Java is the best for desktop graphic user interface app, and it is an embedded system, web application services, etc. In Python it is excellent for scientific and numeric computing, machine learning language or apps, and database support code. Java offers a stable connectivity and Python offers weak connectivity. And for example, in which the parameters, it is in which Java public static void main string we are use, and in Python we use only the print hello world for and for the in for the salaries we use developers per year in the unit, and in that Python the average salary for a Python developer, it is per year in the United States. Features of Java. How are the important features in which Java? It is designed for building an object-oriented application, and it writes a code once and run it almost in any computing platforms. And Java, it is a multi-threaded language with atomic memory management and facilities distributed computing as its network centric. Python feature, it is easy to learn and read the maintain, and it can run various hardware platforms using some interfaces. Thank you.